Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Today we are building an RFID based automatic tool gate system using an Arduino, an RFID reader, and a servo motor. I have already made a project on automatic tool gate with ultrasonic sensor. Link is provided in the description. Now we will make it with the RFID. This is simple but powerful project that simulates how RFID technology can automate tool collection. This project is for beginners and teaches you about embedded system, RFID communication, and basic automation. So let's get started. Here what you will need for this project. An Arduino Uno, RFID reader module RC522, RFID tags or cards, servo motor, a gate mechanism for demonstration. I have built a simple one using cardboard or whatever you have used. Breadboard and jumper wires. Now let's take a look at how we will connect all these components. It is crucial to follow the wiring carefully to avoid any issues. Now connect the RFID reader to Arduino as follow. VCC to Arduino 3.3 volt, ground to Arduino ground, SDA SS to Arduino digital pin 10, SCK to Arduino digital pin 13, MOSI to Arduino digital pin 11, MISO to Arduino digital pin 12. IRQ pin can be left unconnected for basic reading. Now connect the servo motor with Arduino. Connect the red power wire of the servo motor with Arduino 5 volt. Connect the brown ground wire of the servo motor with Arduino ground. Connect the yellow wire of the servo motor with digital pin 3 of the Arduino. Install the required libraries. And upload the code to the Arduino. Now let's test it. I am scanning the register tag and the servo open the gate. After a few seconds, it closes automatically. If I try an unregistered tag, nothing happens. This can be used for tool gates, parking systems, office access control, and more. You can even expand this with an LCD, buzzer, or IoT capabilities. I hope you found this project helpful and easy to follow. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the InfoFlex for more awesome Arduino projects. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.